Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of gift giving with a focus on the perfect solution for birthdays, especially for the little guys in our lives. Introducing the Gather and Knot Drawstring gift bags, your ultimate go-to for hassle-free and eco-friendly gift wrapping. Now, before we delve into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer convenience and versatility of these bags. Crafted from premium canvas material, these bags aren't just your ordinary gift wrap. They're reusable, durable, and oh so stylish. What sets Gather and Knot apart is their assortment of sizes. From the large 20 bag, perfect for fitting bigger presents like toys or games, to the smaller 12 bag, ideal for items like action figures or puzzles, there's a size for every gift-giving occasion. But wait, there's more. The ingenious drawstring closure makes wrapping gifts a breeze, saving you time and hassle. Plus, it's not just about wrapping gifts. These bags double up as a thoughtful gift in themselves. Let's talk durability. These bags are built to last. Made from 10 ounces cotton and featuring sturdy rope handles, you can trust that your gifts will be safe and secure, no matter the journey. And here's the cherry on top. Gather and Knot is committed to reducing waste. Say goodbye to heaps of wrapping paper cluttering up your trash cans. With these reusable bags, you're not only saving time but also saving the planet. So there you have it, folks. The Gather and Knot Drawstring gift bags are a game-changer when it comes to gift wrapping. Stylish, practical, and eco-friendly, they're the perfect choice for any birthday celebration, especially for the boys in your life. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy gifting!